What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create clickable buttons in Canva. Now what we'll be showing you can be applied to any project. So just go over to elements and say we want to add a button. So let's try to add a button first. So we went to elements, search for button. Under graphics we clicked see all. Let's click on that. And then we're going to go and choose this green button right here. So this is a green button. We're just going to close this. And then right here we could just say R. And then right here we're going to type T in order to write some text. And we'll just say click me. Then we're going to make this larger, do some formatting settings. Then we're going to leave it right here. Great. Now we're going to select this whole thing and then we're going to group it. Then now that it's a group, you can see this is one right now because we've grouped it. So we're going to right click on the word, click me, and then you can see right here link because we right clicked on it. Of course, you can see the shortcut Control K. So if you click on the link right here, you'll need to provide a link where you'd like to take it to, right? So let's do that. Let's just say www.google.com. Sorry, it's all in caps, but we're going to leave it right there. We're going to press enter, display mode, link. Let's leave it at that. Click done. And there we have it. So if anyone clicks on it, they'll be taken to google.com. So this is how you can create clickable buttons in Canva. And of course, after sharing this document, anyone who clicks on it will be taken to the site which they clicked on.